Hey there, YouTube. Today is Sunday, the 11th day of April 2021. It's about 9:36 in the morning, and I am here at the park in Shiner, Texas. So I'm at the very beginning of it. The main street is right behind me. So I've driven by this quite a few times and just thought it's a good looking little park. I just want to get a little video of it and share it with you. You can see up there is the Texas and the American flag. So there's a little bit of wind today, so hopefully my voice ain't too bad. But here you go. You can see this gun is the Spirit of 76 Shiner by the American Bicentennial. So you can see that says justice, that says freedom, the thing that most of us have forgotten today. But here you go. If you want to read this, go ahead and pause this and read that. And so you can see this big old gun up here, and I do mean big. So that thing's got eight wheels and tires on it to roll it around, and then you can see they could drag it from back here, and that's going to stabilize it. But boy, that's a big gun. And nice Tacoma over there. More on that to come. Right here, while we're here, let's go over this way, because here is another memorial. Looks like with pride, Shiner, a sesquicentennial community, honors 150 years of Texas independence and salutes the heroic spirit of Texas that molded Texas greatness and will shape Shiner's future. Give you a little close-up of that right there. 1836 to 1986. So they just placed that here as a memorial for Texas 150 years of freedom. That was founded right in this area. That started right down the road in Gonzales, as I've shown you some other videos of that. And not many of you are interested in that because it got very few views, but that's okay. This is the stuff I like. But here's a, boy, that's hard to see even. It says Shiner Lexus, L-E-X, no, I guess Texas. Shiner, Texas. Okay, boy, that is, they really need to redo this one, I can tell you. But here anyway, if you can read it, you can pause all this. And here's the other side of it. Same thing, just pause it if you want to read it. From the Bicentennial Committee, so that's pretty cool. So anyway, got some nice little concrete benches around here. Got really beautiful trees. They even got palm trees up here. And then I'll tell you what, before we get to that, let's get, I see one more thing over here. Here's another flagpole. No, take it back, it's a light pole. Thought it was a flagpole. Alright, but anyway, right here they got this one. There's a lot of granite in this park. A year to remember. Founded August 1, 1887. Shiner Centennial, 1987. Okay, so this is their own centennial marker for this town. So here, you can read. Let's see, yeah, that should be getting all of it. If you want to pause this, you can read all this. This is just telling you about some things when they were put in here. So there's that. And then just that. I don't know if you really want that or not. And then that right there. All right, so now over here, let's see, this says Little Free Library. So they got one of these. There's definitely some books in there. Okay, don't know if there's anything I'd want, but who knows. Even some cookbooks in there, looks like. Anyhow, this, let me get you out of the sun as best I can. Now, this has got two signs. So what does this say? Captain Charles Welhausen, that is the name of this park, by the way, is Welhausen Park. I guess I probably should have told you that earlier. But here you can read about him. So this is obviously who this park is named after. And again, just pause this and read to your heart's content. Let's see, right there, it's all that. Then over here to the right is this, you see, Welhausen Park Bandstand is what they're calling this. So again, you just pause it and read it. Like so. And get you the steps again here. We'll start down there. There you go. So let's go up. And here we go. Overview of the park now. So staying pretty much in the center. Let's do a 360. So you can see there's a cat over there on the street. So this will give you a 360 of the whole park. It's a small park and seems to be the only one in this town. There's a light there that's pretty dirty. You can see they got a little playground over here, and then right across the street where we started. So one thing I want to point out from here, check out that house right there. Pretty good looking house to me. Don't know about you, but I like it. But you see they got a little playground here for some kids. They got a slide over there. We'll walk over there and take a look, see if there's anything on that side. I don't believe there is. And this will probably pretty much do it. But if there is anything else, I'll show that to you. But if not, I hope you've enjoyed this part. So I will see you on the next one if we have nothing else behind this. Alright, so there are a couple more things that I've seen here. So this right here says Shiner, obviously, as you can see on the bottom 3 times. And it's the same thing on the other side, but I'll show that to you nonetheless. So they got them a picnic table here on concrete, all bolted down, and you can sit and enjoy that. And again, you can see there's the bandstand right there, big old slide right there. Let's go look at one more thing. All right, so here you can see on this corner they've got the sign over here. So it's not up there in the middle where that gun is, which is where I started, but you can see it says Welhausen Park right there. So you got your little formalized gate here, and then if you were to walk in, go under this, and you can see there I'm officially past the gate. So this will be the park, and you can see the bandstand right up there, the slide stuff over there, the gun is right there, and that's where we started. So this is Welhausen Park. I hope you enjoyed this one, like I said. So give it a thumbs up, subscribe, share it, leave a comment, all of that good stuff, and I will see you on the next one.